I thought better of you. I can't believe you. I cannot believe you, Jamaica. Zach, why are you doing this to me?
Because I love you, Kelly.
Zach, I don't believe you for a second. I can't believe that you are doing this to me.
I'm making you home.
I don't believe you.
I wanted just to make sure you're okay.
I don't believe you. This is what you've wanted.
I'll take you home.
To drive me out of my mind. I have no control whatsoever. Isn't that what you've wanted? Zach?
I need to get your car back to you.
No, you need to stop now. I have sworn left and right that you need to stop this shit now.